Hey, how's everyone doing today? So once again, I have another recall for you guys. Now this one might impact a lot of you guys because it has to do with the brand new Hondas 2023 model year. So let me go ahead and get right into this and I'll explain what this one has to do with. So this new recall just came out a few days ago, and it covers the 2023 Honda CR-V hybrid and the 2023 Honda Accord hybrid. So brand new vehicles just came out, just got redesigned, and they're already having issues with them. And this is a pretty big one as far as what it affects. So it affects the electronic transmission. So kind of a big deal. It's not like a minor thing here, because this could definitely make it so your car doesn't run. So it has to do with the transmission. And I'll read what Honda is saying what the problem is. So it's saying the vehicle's electronic transmission generator revolver cover, so I'm not even sure what that is, but may have been broken during the assembly process. So they're saying that it could have been assembled with broken parts. And then these broken pieces can cut the revolver wires during the just operating the vehicle. And if they cut all the way through or cause a short, it would result in the loss of engine power. So that's kind of a big deal, that you could be driving this brand new car and then all of a sudden it doesn't work anymore. Then it brings out if the vehicle loses power, then the driver may be unable to restart the vehicle or operate it, which would increase the risk of a crash. So what's going on with this now is the dealers will replace electronic continuously variable transmission, or as they call it, ECVT, free of charge. And they're saying the owner's notification letters are expected to be mailed out October 11th of this year. But if you don't want to wait, you know how I feel about it. It also brings out owners may contact Honda customer service at, here's the number on the screen, 1-888-234-2138. And then if you call them, the Honda numbers for this recall are NFG and then HFF. And that would be what you want to refer to if you called them, so they could look it up by your VIN to see if yours was one that is affected. So it is kind of a big deal, since the remedy for this is replacing the whole transmission. So something to keep an eye on. If you guys have a 2023 Honda CR-V hybrid or a 2023 Honda Accord hybrid, definitely give them a call. Like I said, it's not a minor thing. It's where they'll have to replace the whole transmission. So definitely get that checked out. So the most important thing is that you're safe, you don't have an issue, it doesn't, break when you're driving it, and then get it rectified as quick as possible. So just want to bring that to you. As you guys know, a lot of new recalls coming out with these cars, all manufacturers, just not like what they used to be. They are putting them together a lot faster. I've noticed that myself. But the good thing is Honda always stands behind their products, and they'll get it taken care of. So just reach out to them and see if yours is affected. And then drop me a comment below and let me know if you guys are driving one of those new CR-V hybrid or the Accord hybrid. I'd like to know if you've had any issues with it. Okay? I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. I appreciate your support. I really do. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.